Hello, so today we are on top of beautiful Cooper Mountain. Funny story, we are at 8190 Southwest 191st Avenue. 25 years ago, I catered the wife's 40th birthday at this exact same home. 25 years later, they are moving. So this one's near and dear to my heart. She is just over 3,000 square feet. She's a 5-bedroom, a 3-bath. This backyard is stunning. This is a must-see. Let's go. I love the split-level entry. As you walk up the hardwood stairs and you wrap around into your formal living space, you are greeted with nothing but light. So much light. Tall ceilings, massive floor-to-ceiling windows. You can see Northwest Washington County. This is a place to entertain or host. It's really lovely. You walk into the kitchen from your formal dining. You've got a pocket door that separates the space. You have a ton of storage in this kitchen area. Not only do you have beautiful quartz counters, a massive kitchen island, a banquette seating, so built-in seating just off of the kitchen, massive family room, tons of windows again, letting in that beautiful natural light with high ceilings. It's perfect for everybody. It's such a great space. From the eat-in dining area, you have access to the backyard deck. Great for housing your barbecues, your smokers. Off of your kitchen family room area, across from your entry, is your primary bedroom, and it is huge, ginormous. Also has access directly to the backyard. There's a cement pad out back here which used to house a hot tub. If I were going to purchase this home, I would definitely have a hot tub out there and access directly from my primary bedroom. The primary bathroom was remodeled over the years, so you have double sinks, a gorgeous jetted garden tub, beautiful stone and tile shower with the built-in niche, a nice bench. I love the floor. It's like you're in a spa with the pebbled floor, and then a huge walk-in closet. This really is a retreat. Obviously, a lot of your living can be done on that main level upstairs. And when you come downstairs to the full finished walkout daylight basement, you have an additional family room, an additional 2 bedrooms, the laundry room, another full bathroom, and a secret hideaway. So our client was an avid photographer. So off of the laundry room, you have your secret hideaway, Ralph's dark room. So here you have your in-house vacuum system. You have an additional house freezer. It's great for root storage if you're a homesteader, canning. The possibilities are endless. I love how this backyard feels like your own private park. Literally, your grill, your fire pit, kids' play structure, gorgeous pavers. You are shaded by these beautiful old growth trees. It is just heaven out here. I just came back from vacation. With this backyard, you'd never have to leave. Coming in from your 3-car garage with a ton of storage, you have your water heater, cabinetry, and an additional man door to the backyard. So lots and lots of space.